probably should have organised this before I drove the boat out to take some photos and stuff. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the window height like this, and then me pumping it up 400 mil, which is what the actuators will do. And I was going to use crowbar and chocks of wood and everything, and then I thought, hang on, I've got 4 actuators, or I've got lots of actuators. I may as well give it a shot, and I'll be able to see how synchronized they go up, and it's way easier. So anyway, I absolutely blobbed these in, but they should be good enough just to do a test. This is just in a recess here, and I'm completely relying on this flat section here to hold it from twisting, and it's just squashed in. Let's see how she goes. Working. They went up a little bit uneven, but it wasn't much. Now I'm scared to move because it's still in the trailer, and you can see how shaky she is. Well, it's more noticeable for me. And that's super, super, super high. So this could definitely come down a bit. $2.40 meters from the floor here to that bit, and the step down bit is $24.60. So she can definitely afford to come down. My 2.1 meter mate would appreciate this penny. Awesome. I like the name of his boat, Icon, because his name is Con. Get it? Icon. His name's Con. Con. You guys want me to put one of these funny hole things here? It's going to make it a lot more difficult. I'll have to work out what I'm going to do there. 230 mil to the back of the boat. It's 1.57 meters where the windows go. So there's a 50 mil overlap that way, and it's 450 from here to here, and it's 200 mil from here to here, 205 from the front. So it's only on a slight angle. 700 mil. His hatch is only 600 mil, 850, and then to there is about 700 mil. Bowsprit is 700 mil there, but it's only a 400 mil from the that bit. 150 mil. It's only 130 up the front. I love where his toilet is. He doesn't have the steering down here. That's good, but that's where my dunny's gonna be. Do you guys reckon the dunny is better facing that way? It's 1550 head height in here. From the toilet to the ceiling is about 1150. This is about 850 wide with a 530 mil opening for the door. It's 930 from this wall to this wall. 950 from the floor to the windowsill. It must only be a 40 mil overlap because the windows are 490. It looks like the windows overall from the outside are about 450 to 445. I actually like this configuration. The table is very usable. It's a good size. He's got a freshwater bladder in here for the shower. 1.84 meters head height in here, which gives you plenty of room for me here because I'm just under 1.84. His seat here is 800 mil, overlaps by nearly 100 mil, or 80 mil down here, with a 660 mil gap from here to here, 1170 mil from here to the roof, which makes it 400 mil from the floor to here, 950 mil from here to up here, and 950 mil from there to there as well. Approximately 1.8 meters from here to the front bulkhead, but then it's got a 240 mil little bit here on both sides with 120 mil of cushion. Approximately 900 to the very front up there to this bulkhead. 1.3 meters from here to here, or roundabouts.
Until you look in here.
Well, it's all blobbed together.
And where are the actuators going to go? Are they going to go further out?
Yeah, they'll be at the sides.
So it'll go higher?
No, it'll go the same height.
Oh, that's your ceiling cap?
Yeah.